Hello guys, welcome to another section of Learning with PrepClass. I am Usman Nuruddin, a PrepClass tutor. So today we are going to continue our section of Learning Mathematics with PrepClass. Now we are going to continue solving questions from AKWA JSCE Mathematics Past Question for the year 2020. In this video we are going to solve questions 71 to 75. I hope you've been watching our videos and you've learned something so far. So please kindly check through our videos to see how we solved questions. Join us on WhatsApp to have access to all our tutors and ask us questions. If you have any questions you would like to ask us, kindly join us on WhatsApp to ask us such questions. Remember to like this video and don't forget to put down your comment to let us know how you feel about this video. Okay guys, so today we solve question 71 to 75 of AKWA JSCE Mathematics Past Question. Let's roll. Question number 71. Find the value of x in the diagram above. A. 34 degree, B. 43 degree, C. 47 degree, D. 60 degree. Now this is the diagram here. We have to find the value of this angle x. Now how can we solve this? There is a principle we have to apply here. These two lines here, they are called parallel line. And there's a line cutting through the parallel lines. So when this happens, what kind of angles are formed? The angles formed are called alternate angles. And alternate angles are equal. So because alternate angles are equal, it means this angle here is equal to this angle here because they are alternate angles. So therefore, the value of x is 43 degrees. You can see how simple it is. So if you're not sure of the kind of angle that is formed here or the principle behind solving this question, obviously you're going to miss it out. So for this question, the angles formed are called alternate angles. And in mathematics, alternate angles are equal. So therefore, our correct option is option B, 43 degrees. That was very easy. Okay, so we are going to move to the next question, question number 72. Calculate the perimeter of the triangle whose dimensions are 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 8 centimeter respectively. A. 960 centimeter, B. 30 centimeter, C. 20 centimeter, D. 18 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of the triangle whose dimensions are 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 8 centimeter respectively. So it means we have to find perimeter. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter means sum of sides. So it means we are going to sum the sides of the shape to get its perimeter. So it means to get the perimeter of the triangle here, we are going to sum the sides of the triangle to get the perimeter. So we have perimeter equals sum of sides. Now perimeter of triangle is going to be, we are going to add these sides together, 10, 12, and 8. So we have 10 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, and that's going to give us 30 centimeter to be the perimeter of the triangle. So you can see that was very, very easy. It is easy to find the perimeter of any shape. What you just need to do is add all the sides together to get the perimeter of the shape. So for this triangle here, the correct answer is 30 centimeter, and that is option B, 30 centimeter. I hope you understand that. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 73. Factorize 2a minus 6a squared. A into bracket 2 minus 6a close bracket. B, a into bracket minus 4a close bracket. C, 2 open bracket a minus 3a squared close bracket. D, 2a open bracket 1 minus 3a close bracket. Now in this question, we are to factorize. And we have to factorize, it means we have to first of all factor out the common factor. Now after getting the common factor, then you can simplify your expression. So here we have 2a minus 6a squared. What is going to be the common factor here? For 2a minus 6a squared, the common factor is 2a. Why? Because we have 2 to be common between 2 and 6. Because between 2 and 6, 2 is common. 2 can go in 2 and 2 can also go in 6. So 2 is common. Now, a and a squared, what is common? There is a single a here. We have double a here. So it means a is common. So multiplying our two common factors, we have 2 and a to give us 2a. Right? Good. So now we are going to start by saying 2a minus 6a squared equals the common factor, which is 2a. Because we have a common factor, we have to put the remaining value into a bracket. So now, 2a, if I bring out 2a from 2a here, that is how many 2a can I see in 2a? That is 1. So that's why we have 1 here. Minus. How many 2 can I see in 6? That is 3. How many a can I see in a squared? That is a. Right? That is, if I say a squared divided by a, it means I'll have a. So therefore, our result is 2a, open bracket, 1 minus 3a, close bracket. That is how you factorize. For you to factorize, because of the word factorize, you must bring out a factor. That is, you have to find the factor common to the two terms or more. If you have, here we have 2 terms. In other questions, you could have more than 2 terms. So it means you have to find the common factors between the terms. Now, if you're able to get the common factors, then you can simplify further. So with this question, the correct option is option D, 2a into bracket 1 minus 3a. So that is how easy it is to solve questions on factorization. There are some questions that could be more complicated than this, but the fact still remains that when you have to solve questions like this, you must remember that you have to find the factors of the terms in the question. So you have to find the factors of the terms in the question. So when you find the factors, then it will be easy for you to further break down the question to get the desired answer. So that is it. So now we move to the next question. Question number 74. Question 74. What is the correct bar chart for the table below? Here we have the table, and this is the bar chart. Which of these is representing this table? Now let's look at the table. We have score and frequency. For a score of 2, the frequency is 3. For a score of 3, the frequency is 6. For a score of 4, the frequency is 9. For a score of 5, the frequency is 4. For a score of 6, the frequency is 1. Now, what do you need to do to get your answer here? Just look at the chart you have in the options. Which one of them is having the exact score with the exact frequency? Then if you can get that, then you have gotten your answer. So we are going to look through these charts and pick the right answer. Looking at the chart for A, 2 is having a frequency of 3 from the table. So here we have 2 to be having a frequency of 3. Very good. 3 is having a frequency of 6 from here. Though it is not showing that 3 is having a frequency of 6. Let's move to 4. 4 is having a frequency of 9. Okay, it is showing that 4 is having a frequency of 9. 5 is having a frequency of 4. 5, a frequency of 4. Good. 6 is having a frequency of 1. 6 is having a frequency of 1. Alright, let's check others. For B, 2 is having a frequency of 3, but 2 is having a frequency of 1 here. So it means this is wrong automatically. Let's go to option C. 2 is having a frequency of 3, but here we have 2 to be having a frequency of 9. So it means that is wrong as well. Let's go to the last option, D. 2 is having a frequency of 3 from the table, but here 2 is having a frequency of 10. So it means B, C, and D is wrong. Now let's go back to A. The only place we have issues with A is because of this frequency of 3, which is supposed to be 6, but there is an error. That's probably a mistake. So we are going to go with option A. The right frequency of 3 is 6, but the bar is not well placed. So we are going to go with option A to be our answer. So the correct bar is option A, and option A is the correct option. So that is how you check for questions like this. If the question has to do with any kind of graph, just look at the graph in the question and see which one of them suits the information you have from the given table, or let's say set of data. So from there, you can pick your right answer and you'll be sure, okay, yes, this is the right answer. Do you understand? So that is it. So we move to the last question of this video. I hope you're following us. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to all our videos. And don't forget to always share with your friends. So the last question for this video, question 75. If y equals AB, then b equals dash a ay, b a over y, c y over a, d y minus a. Now this question wants us to make b the subject of the formula. So how do we solve? We solve as if we are looking for the value of b. So we have y equals ab. Now to get b, we must divide both sides by the coefficient of b here, which is a. So divide both sides by a. So we have y over a equals ab divided by a. A cancels a, we have b here. So therefore y over a equals b. This implies that b equals y over a. And that is the correct answer. So it means the correct option is C. Option C, y over a. So guys, that is the end of today's section. I hope you find it interesting and you are able to learn something new today. Remember to always practice more questions so as to make mathematics more easy for you. So on this note, I say thank you very much for learning with us today. But remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get access to all our videos. Also, please put on the notification so as to get notified whenever we put up a video on our channel. Alright guys, we'll see again in the next video where we're going to be solving questions 76 to 80. So guys, stay tuned and anticipate the next video.